dance. Are we ready for Carnival? Let me hear that round of applause. Eddie, run them tracks, Eddie, as we get into Carnival time. Woo!
Hey, Dushi! Manami Tunchi! Uzunchi Dushi! Manami Tunchi! Ujunchi Dushi! Mike un piquito rico! Oye, Dushi, baby! Really?
It's a Monday. On a Friday.
He said.
It's a Monday.
1, 2.
It's a Monday. Vamos Friday. It's a Monday. Vamos Friday. It's a Monday. Vamos Friday. It's a Monday.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the one with the hat on is Aruba, the youth queen for Carnival. Hey! Yeah! A little taste of Aruba's Carnival. And also Also presenting tonight our Carnival Queen, Youth Carnival Queen for Aruba. Woo! Hey, hey, hey! Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for them. Okay. Now I'm going to give you the opportunity to bring your cameras on stage, bring your bodies on stage, have a picture with our Youth Carnival Queen, and also with all of the participants. So come on stage. At the same time, I'd like to say thank you for being here with us. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did not, still forward it on to all, wherever you go, and tell them you're coming down to Aruba, make sure to visit Bini Festival. It's just one happy trip. Thank you for being with us. Safe trip back home. May God bless, Godspeed, and see you next time. Remember, Aruba is your home, away from home. We love you. Ayo! Woo! Come on stage.